Today, for the Bitcoin price, we will talk about why $7,400 for Bitcoin were most probably the new local bottom, as you can see it right here. We will show you the strongest arguments and also what this price of $7,400 have in common with this level here in 2012, in 2013, and also the breakout level here in 2016 in September. We will talk about all of that and why this is most probably the local bottom right now for Bitcoin. We will also talk about one specific price prediction Tone Vays just dropped a few hours ago in a cap we shared, and why we are not necessarily agreeing with him that we will go lower than 7,400. And in the end of the episode, which is probably the most important point, we will show you the most interesting statistic about Bitcoin regarding the net unrealized profit and loss. And this metric just has turned red, as you can see right here. We will talk about the major significance and importance of that regarding the Bitcoin price. So make sure you stay here, make sure you stay tuned, make sure you take a seat, and also smash up the like button right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. So we talked about this major important level for Bitcoin, which is 7,400. Now we want to show you what this level actually has in common with this specific levels here marked with the yellow line in 2012, 13 and also 2016. So if we go back here right now and we draw a Fibonacci retracement from this low here in 2010 up until the high, we see that this level here lines up exactly with the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement ratio. And we are here on the monthly candles of the Bitcoin Liquid Index. So if you draw the Fibonacci retracement ratio from the local low to the all-time high, you will always find out on the monthly candles, once the Bitcoin price went through that breakout level of the 61.8, that never ever the price went below again. This has never happened in the history of Bitcoin. You can see it here in 2010 up until 2013. And even if we draw a new Fibonacci retracement from the November 2011 up until the all-time high here in 2013, actually the first all-time high, we can see that this lines up exactly with that level here. And after this candle in August 2013, the Bitcoin price has retraced back and actually has exactly retraced back to that level, but has not gone below and was actually far from closing below, which is very important as well, but it has only touched it. And we can draw the same line just from each and every bull bear cycle. So if we do it from here and we draw it up until the high we can see in November 2013, you know, before the Mt. Gox crash, we can see we just draw it up until the bear market, and again it lines exactly with the line we have marked out here. And once we had a new monthly candle above, the Bitcoin price once again did not went below. The 61.8, we always said that with DaVinci J15 as well, is the most significant Fibonacci retracement ratio, not only in traditional markets, but especially in the Bitcoin markets. What happened afterwards is clear, guys. It is heavily clear. You can see it right there. And we can do the exact same thing for the last cycle. If we are going here from 2015, January 2015, and we are drawing it up until the new all-time high and just pushing it here, we can see that it lines up exactly again with the line we have marked out right here. And there's another very interesting thing. Not only that we were immediately retracing back, but also retracing back again, we were holding strong. We were holding strong at 7,400. And you all remember the crazy bounce of 40% once we reached that level. The 61.8 is going into a macro perspective in the monthly candles, the most significant ratio to time the market, to time retracements post bear market. And we can see the exact same thing happening right now. So of course there is not a 100% likelihood of us not breaking this level. Just from a statistical, historical point of view, the likelihood is extremely low of us breaking it. And we can see we have retraced back once again. We had the major significant 40% bounce, and right now the price of Bitcoin is actually holding strong. Keep that in mind when you're trading, when you're shorting on Bybit, for example, with our link. If you want to support us, it is down below. You can deposit 0.05 Bitcoin and you actually get $30 for free, which is very nice. But always be aware that you know what leverage trading is. But nevertheless, if you want to short or long on Bybit, make sure you are aware of the fact that 7,400 was most likely the bottom. But well, yesterday we sat together with Tone Vase in a cab, and he actually said the following. Wait, let me just refresh it here, and you can check it out right there. So see what he has to say.
All right, guys, we are here with the one and only Tone Vase, and we want to talk about the Bitcoin price. So Tone, what do you think?
Zero. It's going to zero.
Bitcoin price to zero. That would be a very nice clickbaity headline, actually. No, but honestly, like for this year, let's only talk about this year.
I still think that the $7,200 low is more likely to break to the downside before the year. Maybe not before the year is up, before the halving is this year.
All right.
I'm still skeptical. I guess I'm the perma bear. Eventually, I'll be a bull. We'll see when.
Eventually he will be a bull. Yeah, well, maybe we will send him this video, but he is actually saying that before the halving we might even break 7,200. Again, from a statistical point of view, that's extremely unlikely. We want to show you one more argument before we go into that mind-blowing statistic here. Please check that out. If we also draw a Fibonacci retracement level from this local low here we had actually in December 2018, 3,150, to this local high of 14,000 approximately, we can see that this also lines up exactly with the line we have drawn from this low to the all-time high. And you can see that this just gives us even more significance to the 7,400 US dollar level. Make sure you're aware of that if you want to be a bear. The price is going down, we stay bullish because we are on Bitcoin, and we all know the long-term trajectory. In the long term, bears will get wrecked, guys. And you can throw some hate on us. We will stay bullish, guys. We will stay bullish because the arguments are on our side. So there's another very important metric, and this is the net unrealized profit and loss. And what you can see right here is that always the price of Bitcoin in 2011, we always go into some kind of blue parabolic phase. Then we go back into the yellow, orange, and red phase. And actually, you want to sell in blue when you have euphoria and greed, as you can see it right here. And you want to be buying in capitulation phases. And the capitulation is not here coming from the Fibonacci retracement ratio or any other kind of stuff. It is coming from the net unrealized profit and loss. And we can even go into red at the 10,000 level. It just shows you when people are trading actually in a loss, when you have unrealized losses. So whenever it is red, whenever we have fear and blood in the streets, you know that the majority of people actually have a huge bunch of unrealized losses. So even though the price is actually very friendly right now at 8,400, we know that a lot of people are actually in the capitulation stage, just as we had it here also in the bear market, in the beginning of 2019. So we are entering that stage while we are close to the 61.8, and this actually gives us a very nice buying opportunity. Not saying that we are not going down to 7,400, just saying that right now there's blood in the streets. Right now the people are fearful. Right now the people are losing money, and right now the weak hands are being shaken out by the market, even at those price levels, because everyone is trading back and forth and losing money. Keep that in mind, guys. We are in capitulation stage right now. At the moment, coming from the on-chain fundamental perspective, we are in the capitulation stage. And on top of that, from the TA point of view, we are exactly closely above the levels where we have probably found our local lows. Guys, let us know what you think about that, and also check out our new offer here from Bybit. Deposit 0.05 Bitcoin and you can get $30 for free, which is the lowest requirement they have ever had. Only with our link. Click the link in the pinned comment down below. And also be aware that tomorrow actually the Bybit games will start. We are registering our MMCrypto family team. You can register below our team, and if you register with the MMCrypto team, you will be actually able to have the chance being in our team and hopefully winning with us together up to 100 Bitcoin in that trading competition. The link will be shared below tomorrow and maybe even in today's video. Make sure you wait for it. Tomorrow it starts. Register below our team and make sure you take part with the MMCrypto family. Thank you so much for watching, guys. A Bybit tutorial is also popping up right here. We will see each other very soon, most probably tomorrow at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.